Are NCERT books enough for IAS prelims? I'm going to give tips for UPSC preparation. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm your host and guide OJAANK. Today we are diving into a crucial question that many IAS aspirants grapple with. Are NCERT books enough for IAS prelims? We have got all the answers and valuable insights you need to make the right choice. So stay tuned. Let's begin by exploring the significance of NCERT books in your IAS prelims journey. NCERT books are like the foundation of UPSC preparation. They are renowned for their clarity in explaining basic concepts, making them the ideal starting point for building a strong foundation in subjects like history, geography, economics, political science, and basic science. Not only do these books cover the basic comprehensively, but they also align with a substantial portion of the UPSC syllabus. Particularly in General Studies Paper 1, also known as GS Paper 1, which includes subjects like history, geography, and social science. Now let's dwell into one of the most significant advantages, that is the language. The language used in NCERT books is straightforward and easy to understand, making it accessible for candidates from diverse linguistic backgrounds, including those from non-English medium backgrounds. Beyond academics, NCERT books provide historical and cultural insight into India's rich heritage and society. These insights are invaluable for both GS Paper 1 and GS Paper 2, which is known as CSAT Civil Services Aptitude Test. So if you are wondering if NCERT books are a solid foundation for your IAS prelims preparation, the answer is a resounding yes. But before you solely rely on NCERT books, let's talk about the reality check. Cracking the IAS prelims examination demands more than just a thorough reading of NCERT books. The UPSC expects candidates to have a broader understanding of various topics, current affairs knowledge, and critical thinking skills. That's why many successful IAS aspirants supplement their NCERT book reading with additional reference books, newspaper, magazines, and online resources such as OJAANK app. It's about covering the entire syllabus comprehensively and staying updated with the latest development. So while NCERT books are an essential part of IAS prelims preparation and provide a solid foundation for many subjects, they are not the end all be all. In summary, NCERT books are a vital component of your IAS prelim preparation. They offer clarity in basic concepts, cover a significant portion of UPSC syllabus, and are accessible to candidates from various language backgrounds. However, they should be complemented with additional study material and a keen eye on current affairs. Your journey toward becoming an IAS officer is a marathon, not a sprint. So use NCERT books as your stepping stone. But don't forget to broaden your horizon. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on IAS preparation. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep studying, keep learning, and keep aspiring for greatness. And OJAANK IAS bringing a new fresh batch for NCERT preparation from 12th February in just 999 rupees. Yes, in 999 rupees for first 2000 students. So don't miss the chance. Prelims for NCERT is now for you to prepare in a best way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.